No!
Parts.
Where's this?
Parts.
What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. Come on, pick up the phone. It's me, it's Al. I got an emergency here. Yes, we're all busy, but look, it has to be tonight. All right. But first thing in the morning.
The next morning.
Oh, thank goodness you're here.
Is the specimen ready for cleaning?
So, how long is this gonna take?
You can't rush art.
5 hours later.
There you go. He's for display only. You handle him too much, he's not gonna last.
It's amazing. You're a genius. He's just like new.